In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay rent with Deferit, a full guide updated for 2025. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a refresher, this walkthrough will help ensure everything goes smoothly as you manage your rental payments through Deferit. So let's dive in. To get started, you'll want to open the Deferit app on your mobile device or navigate to deferit.com in your preferred web browser. This will be the central hub for everything we need to accomplish today. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the Get Started button. Click on it to begin the process of logging into your account. Next up, look for the login option. This assumes you've already signed up for Deferit. If you haven't, feel free to create an account first and then pick up from here. Enter your registered email address along with your secure password. Make sure this information is correct to avoid any hiccups while logging in. Now that you're logged in, find and click on the Bills tab. This is where you'll be able to see all your existing bills and have the opportunity to add new ones. Speaking of which, our next step is to upload the necessary bill for your rent. To do this, click on the Upload Bill button. You'll then be prompted to enter your landlord's information. This detail is essential and includes a name, property address, tenant or account number, the invoice number, the total amount to be paid, and the bill's due date. Make sure to double check all these details to ensure accuracy. When it comes to payment, you have a couple of options to consider. You can select Pay in Full if you'd prefer the convenience of spreading out your payments in installments. Alternatively, if you'd like to settle everything in one go, there's the Bill Pay option to pay in full. Choose whichever method best suits your financial situation and plan accordingly. Finally, you'll want to click Submit to finalize the transaction. But before you do that, take a moment to review any associated fees, the repayment schedule if applicable, and any security deposit that may be required. It's crucial to ensure that everything aligns with your understanding and expectations. Once submitted, you've successfully navigated the process of paying your rent using Deferit. It's that straightforward. Should you encounter any issues or have questions, their customer support is always a helpful resource. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides like this. Until next time, happy renting.